And I know do for need to. What okay can 20 almost medium. What dear? And I me hobi comment. Okay, old pioneers. What's a picture now? To account ni akuma ne edukumi. And Papa Bills.
Yeah.
Moya 4 pen account. So was say
time na nanka. I say I do me for me guno. I nyunguno.
Sa time no.
Yes, I squad near my station.
Wow. One and what dear? I was say Katie said that.
I say yeah. Was that crash share this now?
Was say Katie. I said that her say ben papa no for be 2 minutes and kwa amount 9 no my bills 9.
I say omutimi papa no for us.
I was omutimi papa no for me nuano because me picture am say this is what we call loyalty. Mami monsem mamo. Mami who picture was quite inspiring.
Yeah.
Like you didn't start today, Jerry.
Yeah.
Papa bills Papa allow me na nim say dot echiamu sa na me see ba Jerry so ba mabo adwuma mabo adwuma ma dom enti yeso edi machi
you've done our part you know
you know enti na de bia yesu aka edi machi no
ebe nyame te ase
damase.
Oh guys, you can go check out that picture. It's on my Instagram.
Yeah so in the private where you rem che aboko
oh na say omo ho de omo
ha na say omo ni ho ne
uniwa
Papa Bill say na fa to ho na
oh there be say me if you want to
enter my house me, you have to knock the door
or request there I check on you and see if me say me who say people are of numbers or person will be on the midnight chini but me so me pay people who are positive minded people.
Yeah,
but you might not know everybody. It's all by request to say you want to follow me on Instagram. Now may I accept your request. Now be part of my family over there. Now be BB 1, 2. And no, I'll block you.
Simply put, the J style.
You know what I'm saying?
Like the J style.
Good vibes only. You know what I'm saying? Good vibes only.
Good vibes, see? And then you make Kwame Eugene Samso. And I know me that when Joy Prime from Kwade, Ebe Groy. Sister, come story home. Kwame Eugene can story home. Me, Pierre, sister Sandy O'Correge, and I'm saying, I can't say, Kwame Eugene on the show. He wasn't friendly at all. And I'm saying, oh. Eugene and Sam now walking. To the point, I can't cry the videos, be church me. Kwame Eugene by it say me catch akran say bia na come de Kwame ana e bia no free dwumade bia se na ba na wa bre so oba show he knows he's on a show
pentem we free
e me say otutu chick man kwala na ma enkwala ni bi kura ni say otutu chick man say empon show no asay machine den kwala no they feel very disappointed and to the extent say enkwala ni so mo na ntwa pecha kra e no koy but Kwame Eugene na me nim no very friendly. So Kwame they were very humble. Sure. But this is coming from kids, which I think Kwame is ultimate can. Yeah, wild name call an apology bia. Because this is not the first time I meet BBF in Kwalaho. The other time now some kokoma Kwame Eugene Instagram. I'm screenshot to for future records. Now some kokonto kwano. No more cast or a rude or you're friendly or you say. It could be a wo media money now on here. Fine kakra but bia behind doors no. On to sign to me so me manage the report see ababa be jame say jame ba cockpit kakra nti asam no me shada mo e chiri sa and they so muni pe bi ton dok no kenke boss message ka so what ton dok no kenke boss ya no abre me lunch nti asam ne ba dro kro kakra me di nti no ebike duke o when ebike picture na waposti no ko hoko Instagram ko ebike Instagram kwa na e fine what try any pa
see there.
Hey, Benjamin, ube be on some. Every came in more say, make out for you want some cake. Ain't you know, Kwame Yena on Shendi Hujuma. We all know you are very humble. I don't want you to create another picture.
Yeah, I've seen the picture, yeah.
Well,
yeah.
When we big picture. Oh, we I find you.
Oh, fine boy, fine.
Oh, I was here. What I'm going Instagram, boy. Yeah. What did before?
Charlie, you for keep it up, you know.
Like you know, maintain how you stay.
Maintain say yeah.
And I said, "Don't come and miss Chiame."
Hey, guy,
or him and Papa go. No, na say, "Oh yes, lemon course near the identity." No, person chia. And no, the ABK.
The guy. So on the picture I don't have caption.
Nyo just watching. Any first ka betra bo akase ahia wo. E bonus yet me nya no bride. Me to aso a say akode Black Love. Na program no feyi. Otim say nye corona can be one of the biggest show in Africa. Africa onye Ghana because sanya o plan a concerts no artists na eguso no sanya o positive vibes from Amachi Dede to Shawale to like I mean Akwabua performance. Oh, Jay. Na show ni too dope.
Yeah.
I wish I sank a bit me kakra. I'm on my hair by higher radio. It's be any alcosa akodi page watch you check a Google honum. And I feel sakodi too big. I see a down so. Near my was so young. I said, Onya sa, you know, do you know the mammy hui? But I know Nigeria awards because of Corona, I'm in a virtual. For about 2 hours, no more Nigeria, and you're saying, someone else have a category, no?
Did it happen?
It happened. Jay, I'm over my category, and I'm saying, no. I was some over Ghana and your mammy and Sana Mako. A one of Mujay Sako, the Anyum Coco Edru, I'm coming to Ghana and Crown Puda. Nam Sansako, the suit to be what you Coco Edru, so dear. Papa Bill's bra, Papa Bill's bra, Papa Bill's bra, baby, yeah, Papa Bill's bra, Papa Bill's Coco Edru, and
also, Massey, class him.
It's all the Coco Edru, Sana, and how do you go? And I'll be a Coco Edru, and I'm a dad or Nigeria for us, and me free. It's not feel the way Nigeria for the dorm. Say, do your whole pani, Pierre, and Hossa. And your numbers are some.
Yeah.
Oh, bra, care, and yes, I get Sakodi and Kwan. Shatawale, Stone Boy, Sakodi, Floating Stone, Ochame Kwame, Strong Man, Amrado, like YP, like at boys, no. Oh, my adio. Now Nigeria, moments are up on saying you.
At all.
Ghana say the Floating Stone age now. At the Sakodi and Yang Chame Kwame Kunta Kinte. Oh, Rajery. You better face your more hands down. I'm on your Afrobitiano with the try. It's in that kind of support, no. But a man from some matters that also support the artists now. Or one support your home and so. Ampo, or one support your home or many so.
There are issues.
There are issues because they be a move to support. And we try our best. Oh, but as I want my best, no crying effect. And I nipa na piano no most wada.
Hasem we no okay.
Ampo nipa na piano most wada. E just say me adwuma na yedin so de piano a engage an hu go so piano hu bi hia yi. Na yenye den. Ye won so nko ye nim na me fa me last story enya o. Abrante your boy odo ye hu what in the matter. I go buy designer, yeah. I want me create for my lover, but
Ferrari for
my lover, can be do. Boy, we are dear, make me tell you, I'm castle or more. We are your bob on your nice. And then we will have a story be trendy. I saw a Korea phone, iPhone 11. I get answer, bra. I almost, you know, Uncle Assembly, you know, that for trending. What Korea Levin Pro or in the name of a person with him, but anytime my boy, you are doing Fan the 10 Nakatum, now don't get what drew. Bra, I can't show move. Now that should be story, fly. Oh, Bamrebino. Now, ne papa yes, we are phone. On kind story in Russia say a prank. Nature. And you're fine. Prank your prank, your prank. Now, my shada, more money say a prank. Now, my shada, my story now, cause second me do we are phone. And a year day. Oh, just to get stories, headlines. Why, no, per headline, no. From her yarn yet after years. Once I was for the home, I know I done a brafuri.
All right, yeah, that's it. Sister Sandy, guys. So, yeah, once again, congrats to you, yeah.
Thank you. But
you know I love you, so
I love you more,
for
bro.
the dinner. All right,
nah.
Yeah, be fine.
Moses,
Moses here, part.
See, everybody, I did. You made over Chicago, California.
Bibia be fine.
Moses, you want to share your man, and your man, dear Hoocha.
All right. Badita Ruthless. I said, Jerry, please. I will check that one out later on. But I mean, let's take it from here. Richard Crunchy and Kuma. I said, Jerry, play me Total Restoration by Mary Japan. I really love that tune. Okay, so that's rolling right now. And then Badita Ruthless. I see your feeling Miss Vipa. Her voice is killing him. JB between her for me. Good evening, Jerry. I'm really enjoying the show like never before. Please tell Easy, I like her power and I like her music so much. Greetings going out to my dad, Mr. Daniel Dankwa, Anthony Albright, Hope, El Matko Finch Rabarchery, and also to Captain Smile. Happy birthday going out to Dr. Bernadette J. Quenin, Doctor of Pharmacist, Masters in Communications, currently Master of Public Health student. May God bless you and grant you all your hard wishes from Isaac Nelson and all the multimedia team. So I do see the say in the next 3 minutes it's gonna be new stars. As like I said, come on, we now some money at tonight. If we know me and Sabri and Pim Sabri, if I try. Bedia Jacko short way be to Instagram. Go and check it out. Only need a net or banners in the corner don't me. I'm running a macan. Go money back, so there be Emma. So see you, Nasa, and Ray Yamario. Hey, Jacko, you blast though. We are checking that video on Instagram right now. Yes, at Jerry Justice on Instagram, JERRYJUSTIC. I say Emma so. This is your year of restoration. First, that my producers, no Papa Bills African. To you, Jamestown, J. Cole, to you, Emanuela. Bizu come and ask Ampo for JB Koma Kwame or Boade. And thanks to Miss V for passing through the show today. And of course, my girl, sister Sandy B. A guy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Jerry Justice, and my job is done, y'all. Let's check our time already. Yep. Time to make way for the news at 6. As always, I send me a back up. Ushio Nuano Wachiano. Na wasri atreno.